Kwa mbele ni Seneta Kiambu Paul Thang'wa koro kwa duol mauchung'ne kedo gi mibadhi EACC mondo tim nonro ne gavana Kiambu Wamatangi mibadhi kauntino kod tiyo marach gi apisi mare. Seneta no seyo gavana kuom kuo mag omenda, ndiko jataro mar chik kod chenro mag choko osuru e kaunti ma Kiambu. Bende wacho ne gavana Wamatangi osereme chulo wegora omenda gi maromo bilion 5.6 kata odoko ni nitiere omenda ya gucho omenda mar kauntino. Olero ni Wamatangi ondiko osiepene 200 kaka jotije e kauntino kendo gisiyo ka gichoko osuru e yor aching'. Wamatangi ogwel mondo mi ochopie Senate dwe manyien.
I'm calling upon the EACC to send their officers to Kiambu County to investigate the massive corruption and looting that is happening in the county. As we speak today, the governor of Kiambu County has embarked on going back to the old days of manual payrolls. And you know, manual payrolls are prone to abuse. That is a loophole for stealing, and that is what exactly is happening. In the year 2022-2023, and up to today, the county has paid through manual payrolls over 392 million Kenyan shillings. That is the amount that has been paid to who? That is the question. I'm calling upon the EACC to not wait any longer. Because if you wait any longer, then I believe Kiambu County is going to lose billions of shillings. I also call upon the governor of Kiambu, Wamatangi, to stop lying to the people.